Hello, I'm Jan, and I founded SmartGuide to help tourist attractions and museums to attract more visitors and to engage them better. There is no need for long, boring texts that clutter the exhibits, outdated and unhygienic audio guides, or spending tons of money and time on developing and maintaining own apps. Visitors don't really want a different guide app for every place they visit anyway. When you want to publish a video, you also don't develop your own streaming server, right? You just put it on YouTube. SmartGuide is a platform like YouTube, just for audio guides instead of videos. You can easily publish your guides without any development, and travelers who seek inspiration can discover your museum. The SmartGuide app turns the visitor's phone into an engaging and safe personal guide. It guides you independently, outside of the crowds, and like a live guide, tells you interesting stories about the places you visit and about the exhibits you see in your own language, outdoors and indoor. Visitors can use SmartGuide just like a traditional audio guide in their own language. And you can easily migrate content from your existing audio guides to SmartGuide, and even run both in parallel if you want. You can get rid of the headaches with renting, collecting, charging, and repairing these audio guides, which makes little sense since everyone carries much more powerful device already in their pocket. You can reduce your costs and improve customer experience at the same time. Some tours still require a live guide for safety or to protect the exhibits. Attractions then use live guide in one language and add foreigner-speaking visitors on the tour with audio pre-recorded in their own language. That increases the number of languages you can offer profitably on your tour and increases utilization of the groups and thus revenue. If you can technically switch from a guided group to self-guided tours, you can spread tourists through the museum, which allows you to let more visitors in, and at the same time, they feel less crowded. There is no surprise that SmartGuide received the Seal of Excellence in COVID-19 response from the European Commission. Outdoors, SmartGuide works based on GPS, and if you don't want to invest in indoor beacons, users can simply swipe to the next place on a tour or scan a QR code when they wander freely. You can have such a professional digital guide ready in a matter of hours and without any IT development. In our content management system, you just type in the text, upload images for each exhibit, and we will automatically generate audio with the best AI-based text-to-speech system, or you can upload your own audio files. SmartGuide uses modern, scalable, and secure cloud technology and takes care of all the app updates, maintenance, and end-user support so that you don't have to worry about anything and involve IT at all. Now, you might think that this is nice, but you don't have the budget for it. The good news is that even though we spent more than €500,000 developing this technology, and it offers much more than most custom developed apps, it is just the basic version that SmartGuide offers readily made for free, basically like YouTube. With just a small budget, you can get even more benefits, such as full offline mode, detailed user analytics, more visibility in other destinations, or the ability to send users messages. And we can also help you craft great content. You can also sell SmartGuide to your visitors just like you would sell an audio guide to create additional income. In that case, we just ask €0.50 revenue share per customer with a minimum of 180 per month, which includes the first 360 customers a month. So, for example, if you sell the guide for €3, you only need to sell 2 per day to make it profitable. That sounds realistic, right? All of this you can do even without any investment if you prepare the content yourself. But even if you need support creating the content to sell, but have no budget, we have a solution. With a 1-year contract, we can invest up to €2,000 in your content. Just to give you an idea, with the €2,000 investment, you can get the same guide that the Czech National Technical Museum offers for this year's main exposition. Our team prepared a tour with 15 exhibits in 2 languages, Turnkey, based on an interview with the curator. We will be happy to tell you more and share examples, such as the Stember Castle that digitized paper guides to increase visitor engagement, or the Pilsner Urquell Brewery and Museum that saved costs and earns more revenues by replacing foreigner-speaking guides with SmartGuide for less frequented languages. So, are you ready to join the future of travel? Let us know when can we schedule a call to discuss together.